My name's Corey Russell. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Oregon. And what I'm talking to Congress about is primarily how do we get wash access to folks that are unhoused, in transitional housing, sort of these marginal cases, which is a big problem both on the East and West Coast.
My name is Evan Thomas. I'm a professor at the University of Colorado in Boulder in environmental engineering. And we're here on Capitol Hill today drawing attention to the fact that over 2 million Americans don't have safe water, don't have safe sanitation. This isn't just a problem in developing communities around the world. We have those communities here in the United States. So we would like our representatives to be more aware of this challenge so that we can bring funding to those communities in need.
My name is Melissa Bolajescu, and I'm a student at North Carolina State University. I'm here with H2O for Life, which is a nonprofit that focuses on educating K through 12 students on the water crisis, but also giving them the opportunity to act on it and raise money for different projects around the world. And we're here to talk about how students can get involved from a young age and really spreading education and awareness about the issue, but also giving these students the opportunity to act on this as well. And we're really here to encourage Congress to not just look at us as a young generation that can't really do anything, but a young generation that's ready to act, is really hungry and excited to make a change in the world, because after all, this world is going to be our future.
My name is Emmy Matthew. I'm currently a senior in high school, and I go to high school in California. I'm with H2O for Life, and I'm just here at Congress to kind of tell them about the importance of education and educating our youth about the water access gap, and how there are many passionate students that are ready to get engaged and involved and are super excited to meet with Congress and see how we all can get involved in this movement.
My name is Alexandra Campbell Ferrari. I'm the executive director of the Center for Water Security and Cooperation. So I'm a water lawyer. And we're here today telling Congress, or reminding them, that we have a water crisis that we are not dealing with. So the water crisis is that there are more than 2 million people across the United States that do not have access to drinking water and sanitation. So we are up on the Hill to tell our congressmen and women that they have to do something. They need to fund it, they need to know about it, and they need to act on it, because by 2040, everyone has to have access to drinking water and sanitation forever.
I'm Sean Schaffner. I work with the People's Own Organic Power Project, the POOP Project. And our message to Congress is to close the water gap, that we could save households $16,000 per person just by closing that gap. Let's get it done. We have the technology. We know how to do it. And we want to be America First in 250th anniversary. So let's be the best. Come on.
I'm Clifford Freeney. I'm the president of Sand Branch Development Water Supply Corporation. Sand Branch is a community 15 miles from downtown Dallas. It is unincorporated. It was founded by former slaves, and the community has never had city services as relates to water and sewer. And so we formed a water board. We've been working on it, and to try to bring through the resources through the state and federal level to be able to drill it down to where we can get people clean water and sanitary system drainage for the first time.
Yeah, I'm Chris Frymond. I am the Senior Program Manager at Water for People for our U.S. program. And Water for People is a global nonprofit, and I lead our domestic work. And what we're talking to Congress today about is Vessel Collective and the roadmap that we created to close the water access gap, which is those that have historically lacked access to water and wash services here in the U.S. And this roadmap is something that we spent a year putting together as a collective, as a whole sector, with steps to make this issue more visible, have more government commitment, include more capacity and workforce development opportunities, and things that we can actively do to provide more water access throughout the country.